zurück auf der Farm.
Man, that was a hell of a ride, huh?
Oh,
Jesus, Danny?
What? You ain't getting soft on them, are ya? Not after what they did to your friend.
You're back. What happened?
Handled it, Mama.
Ja, voll. That's gonna handle.
This isn't what Terry would have wanted.
Ist das die Mann gewesen?
My husband.
Ja.
Miss him every day.
Then screw it up for everybody then, why don't you?
Well, calm down, princess. I'll do it myself.
Die ist schon wieder am Streiten. Lily und
What's going on
Larry.
with them?
Don't know. Squabbling looks like. Lot of tension with y'all, huh?
Ich hoffe, mit Messer wird's besser. Ja, das kannst du laut sagen.
Yeah, you could say that. We don't exactly see eye to eye on how we should be doing things.
Ich glaube, ich muss den
Well,
Lied wirklich an
it's
mich
probably
reissen.
just
Hey.
the hunger talking.
Ja, das habe ich gedacht, Frau.
And Lee, don't worry your head about them bandits. I'm sorry you've seen more violence than I'd have thought in your short time, but you all are safe here. Don't worry.
Hoffentlich ist es
Hey,
mir
now go have a
nicht.
look around.
Don't wander too far. Dinner will be ready before you know it. And thank your friend Koch again for me. She and the kids are in the barn with the cow. That woman is a lifesaver.
Okay. Katja ist wirklich gut. Also, wenn ich mich muss entscheiden zwischen diesen zwei Familien, müssen Lily und Larry sofort gehen. Hey, Clem. Ja, bring ihr eine Kappe. Ich bringe ihr sofort die Kappe, wenn ich schon so selten etwas kann für sie tun kann. Wenigstens das. So, gehen wir nochmal in die Türen rein. Unsere Schuhe, sorry. Hey Clem, wo bist du? Ah, da. Hey there. Gibt's echt Zombie-Kühe, wenn sie wieder sterben?
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's okay, go ahead.
Ein bisschen Angst, hä? Ja.
Whoa. Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's that?
What's this thing?
Daddy said it's called a salt lick.
Yeah, but don't lick it. It's gross.
Did you lick it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, Clem, schau mal, was ich für dich habe.
How do you like that cow, Clem?
She's pretty.
Geil, ist eine schöne. Schau, was ich für dich habe. Ich habe
Hier,
die
Clementine.
Kappe.
My hat! You found it!
Juhu!
I knew you'd find it. You said you would.
Listen, did you give your hat to anyone?
No,
Did you see any strangers around the motor inn who might have taken it?
no. Why?
It's probably nothing. Just let me know if you ever see anything like that.
Ja,
Okay,
in dem Fall
I
sind wir
will.
verfolgt worden, oder
Hey,
sie haben uns zumindest
Do you
gesehen.
think you'll ever have kids?
Ich würde gerne heimisch.
I'd like to someday. Maybe a little girl like you.
Ja,
That's
voll.
nice. You'd be a good daddy. Well, thanks for finding my hat.
You're welcome, Clem.
Do you want to pet the cow with me?
Nah, but you go on ahead. She looks skinny. Hey there, Andy.
Hey Andy.
Ja.
Wie geht's der Kuh?
How's the cow?
Well, better now we got Doc on the case.
Wir haben eine Frau in den Wäldern
We met this
rausgetroffen.
woman up in the woods. She seemed to know your brother.
Yeah, he probably talks a little more than he oughta.
Okay. Ja, wegen dem Essen will ich ihn eigentlich nicht fragen,
Thanks.
sorry.
Yep.
Ist verdammt frech, jetzt sind wir extra da gekommen.
Have I missed anything?
No, not really. It smells funny in here.
Like shit, right, Lee?
Oh, wow.
Hey, don't use swear words, okay?
Okay.
Nein! Ey, weißt du was? Ich hätte jetzt einen Witz daraus gemacht. Ich habe...
How do you like that
Du bist
cow,
doch
Clem?
dumm. Wieso haben wir jetzt da nicht
She's
können
pretty.
entscheiden? Ach, Mann. So Sachen schiessen mich an. Weil ich geflucht habe, hat sie jetzt auch geflucht, weißt du, was ich meine? Da gibt's nichts. Gleich kannst du ein bisschen umschauen, wer weiß, vielleicht finden wir noch ein bisschen Zombie-Action oder so. No. Hey, Ball. Oder Hey,
I
Stack.
want to play in the hay.
Just stay close to your mom for now.
Okay.
Oh. So ein neugieriger Bub immer. Ey. What's here? Die gleichen Karten, hä?
Empty.
Okay. Ha. Wieso
You
soll ich
found
das
it too, huh?
Hä?
Lee, they're hiding something behind this door. I got a quick look. They got boxes of stuff and something metal and sharp.
Don't get good.
What?
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. I got my whole family on this farm right now. How about
Ich hab
you?
gewusst, irgendetwas ist da
What about Clem?
komisch, ey. Ich
I'll
beschütze sie.
protect her no matter what.
I know you will. Look, that guy with Katya, what's his name? He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely heard a noise back there, Lee.
What?
My point is, we gotta know for
Okay.
sure. So go find a hammer or something, and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through. You smashed the lock. Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, can you?
All right, Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Oh, man. Was läuft jetzt da ab?
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Well, you're, you know, urban?
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're saying.
Jesus, man, I'm from Florida. Crazy shit just comes out of my mouth sometimes. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
What?
See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and then replace it all again like nothing ever happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan. I'll hang around and keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny.
Can I help you boys find something?
Was ist
What's
hinter
behind
dieser
this door,
Tür?
Andy?
Just tools. We keep it locked so the people in the woods don't try and grab them. We'd be dead without them. Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just, you know, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No problem. Right away, Doc.
Ah, ich bin nur fest am Überlegen, Mann. Wenn wir wirklich... Nein, man, wir können das nicht machen.
Some way to distract Andy?
I don't know, man. Just look for something outside of the barn. We need him out of here.
Man, was ist los? Ey, wenn sie einen Zombie dort hinten angekettet haben, ist es übel, ja, aber er ist immerhin angekettet. Ich meine, was soll er sonst dort hinten dran versteckt haben? Etwas aus Metall, das scharf ist? Ja, Werkzeug, wie er gesagt hat. Und er droht uns halt noch nicht, weil wir erst neu sind. Also ich finde es...
Hey there, Andy.
Ich will nicht,
Yeah.
Mann. Ich will direkt fragen, wieso?
Why do you lock
Schließt es
that door?
selbst?
Because we can't afford to lose our shit to the people in the woods. They come down here every once in a while and raid our stuff, even with the fence.
Schraubenzieher?
You got a screwdriver?
For what?
Never mind.
Danny hat gesagt, wir
Danny
brauchen
mentioned he
etwas.
needed something.
Did he say what?
Shit, I can't remember now. Sorry.
Nein, vergiss es.
All right, all right. Be right back, Doc.
Nein, ich will echt nicht dort gehen. Fuck. Nein, ich kann es nicht aufmachen. Typ. Ich kann es nicht aufmachen.
Still can't get that lock off the door.
You probably just need a screwdriver or something.
Ja, wo finde ich einen? Ah, da habe ich gar nicht reingeschaut.
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes. Ooh, smells pretty foul.
Okay, aber sonst ist nichts drin. Gehen wir mal die nächste durch und hoffen einfach darauf, dass da irgendwo ein Schraubenzieher rum ist.
It's a feeding trough.
Ja. Mehr ist nicht sagen, okay. Wir haben hier eine Tür und sonst müssen wir halt dann rausgehen. Ja, da sieht es auch nicht so aus.
Just some fence posts.
Okay. Whatever. Muss das irgendwo draussen sein. Also, gehen wir raus da. Hä? Wieso ist das zusammen?
False alarm. I'm back.
Aha. Alright. Falscher Alarm. Wieso? Wieso haben wir es jetzt gemacht? Jetzt, zweite Mal geht es sicher nicht auf ihn.
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole place?
Oh, I managed just fine. Plus, I had my boys to help out. I couldn't do it without them.
Das ist uncool, dass der sich so gut mit der versteht, oder? Aber was willst du machen? Screwdriver. Da hat sicher keiner, aber wir können gleich mal reinschauen.
Looks like a feeding station for the cow.
Aha. Interesting. Was haben wir da so? Rum? Hey, Lily? Wollen wir reden mit dir? Also können wir reden mit dir.
What's going on, Lee? Did something happen?
Kenny denkt, sie
Kenny
versteckt
thinks they're hiding
irgendetwas.
something. I'm not sure what exactly, but we're starting to get a feeling about this place. I don't know. Maybe we should go have a look in that barn.
Whatever you do, just be careful.
Yep. Wie geht's dir, dass wir das Motor Inn verlassen haben?
How do you feel about leaving the motor inn?
I don't know. If we'd just stayed where we were, then Mark wouldn't have ended up with an arrow in his shoulder.
Vielleicht Schlimmeres. Über was diskutiert ihr zwei eigentlich immer?
What were you and Kenny arguing about when I came back from the camp?
He's losing it, Lee. He comes over and starts talking about searching the barn and that these people are hiding something. The way I see it, we just need to skip the dinner and get our food to go. But I'm starting to think your friend over there has another agenda.
It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. That's just how he is.
Tut er dich auch so behandeln?
Does he treat you like that too?
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain. He's been through so much, and lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened him, you know? Yeah, he's bitter and hateful, but that's all just to protect himself. And me. All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but that's just because he still has one thing left to care about. So don't judge him. And don't judge me for sticking by him. He's my dad. And I love him.
Ja, ist okay. Ja, denke ich, also das Spiel will mich einfach wieder in die Richtung lenken. In dem Fall verstecken die da irgendetwas.
I'm starting to think they may be trying to hide something.
You two are just asking for trouble. But if you insist on wandering around, I'd be careful, Lee.
I'm gonna go check things out.
Watch yourself, Lee.
Will ich das wirklich? Ja, ich suche mal weiter so einen blöden Schraubenzieher. Ich frage mich nur, wo da einer könnte sein. Sorry. In die Richtung bin ich aber gar noch nicht.
Lots of hay. Enough of these might work as adequate cover from arrows, if that becomes a problem.
Ah, ja, wieso nicht? Als Schutz vor Pfeil hat er gesagt, ja. Hat etwas. Wo ist mein Zeiger? Da ist er. So, dort sehe ich Werkzeugkiste. Alles klar.
I'm glad Andy knows how to fix this if something goes wrong. I'm clueless about this stuff.
Alright, was haben wir denn da? Ah, die
If a
Sage
couple of
habe ich
tools
voll
out in the open is
brauchen.
as unsafe as it gets, we'll be fine here.
Aha.
Would have been nice to have one of these back at the motor inn.
Yep.
It's a small toolbox.
So, nehmen wir doch mal da den Leatherman
Multi-tool.
mit.
That should be handy.
Stellen wir das doch
I'm
einfach
just gonna
mal.
borrow this for a second.
Yep. Wenn wir wirklich reinschauen, ja, wie müde. Wenn jetzt dort irgendein Banditen-Schlachtfest stattgefunden hat. Wenn es Menschen aufgehängt haben wie Kühe zum Kühlen, dann gehen wir schnell weg.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
Kleine, braucht er etwas? Was? Wieso ist es verschwunden?
Alrighty then.
Wieso
Hey
ist jetzt...
there, Andy.
Hey, Andy.
Yeah?
Wo hast du deine Werkzeuge?
Where do you keep the rest of the tools?
Well, if you need something, just tell me what it is, and I can get it for you.
Not that important.
Aber ich bin hure...
Alrighty then.
Ich bin hure mysteriös. Sorry, wie ich jetzt geactet habe. Es ist sicher alles gespeichert worden vom Spiel.
I picked up something I think could help with the lock.
Alright, good to hear.
Und jetzt willst du mich, dass ich das... Er kommt immer wieder zurück.
Tried distracting Andy, but he keeps coming back.
There's gotta be something out there you can mess with to keep him busy for a while. What about those
Oh
generators?
nein, muss ich gerade... Nein! Kenny, geht's noch? Ich kann doch nicht... Nein! Ich kann doch nicht den fucking Generator ausstellen, nur dass wir dort reinschauen und Zombies reinlassen. Es ist Nacht. Ah, ohne Scheiß muss ich das jetzt machen? Das ist nicht futzdumm. Lee, bitte, kann ich nicht da etwas steuern, dass wir das nicht machen? Ah, ich kann mal mit anderen Leuten reden, weil das... Vielleicht gibt es eine Option. Nein, ich will da noch nichts. Nein. Also mit diesen zwei und da, hey. What up to you? Wo ist der Mark?
Hello. Glad I got to use her today. My girl here.
Du hast es wirklich gern, hä?
You really like that gun.
What's not to like?
Ist einfach...
It's just a gun.
Ja, voll.
That's where you're wrong. This is Charlotte. She's as faithful as a starving hound when you got a bone in your pocket.
Oh, wow. Was ist mit der
I saw a
Garrett
wheelbarrow
dort?
over there full of garbage.
Yeah.
Some bloody clothes.
Things happen on a dairy. Cut myself darn bad just the other day. Blood everywhere.
You seem okay.
I'm tough.
How do you run this place with just one cow?
Used to have more. They get hungry too. Or sick. Got your doctor friend here.
You guys must trade for a lot of fuel to keep the generators running, right?
People get hungry, and a few loaves of bread fetch a high price. Y'all are luckier on this side of the deal now.
I'm gonna go wait for supper then.
It'll be a good one.
Hey, die essen Menschen. Hast du gehört, wie er es gesagt hat?
All fixed. That should make everyone happy.
Ich bin auch schon paranoid. Kenny, mach mich nicht paranoid. Ich will denen gleich noch trauen. Ich kann... Nein! Ich will nicht weg von da, es ist so sicher.
We'll finish talking later.
Ach, come on.
You been getting along with Larry?
He's just a big old sweetheart, ain't he?
Don't know if I would have used those words exactly.
Don't judge, honey. This world is bringing out the worst in people. But if you really look, you'll catch a glimpse of humanity every now and then.
Wie geht's Mark?
How's Mark doing in there?
Best patient I ever had. Oh, my boys get so much as a scratch and start hollering. He could definitely teach them a thing or two about being tough.
I'd still like to check on him.
You're gonna have to trust me on this, Lee. I've helped stitch my share of wounds. I know what I'm talking about.
Wenn wir über die Scheuern reden, ja komm, wir wollen es offen haben.
So, what are y'all keeping the barn back there?
Yep.
Besides cows, I mean.
Well, someone's getting a little curious, aren't they?
I don't mean to pry.
It's nothing interesting, I can promise you that much. Just some odds and ends. Takes a lot to run a farm, you know.
Wir haben ein bisschen Ärger gehabt da
Ran into
draussen.
some trouble out there.
Vor allem
I'm
dein
just
Sohn
glad you
kennt
two
hat.
weren't hurt. Those bandits just don't know when to quit. But my boys, they can hold their own.
Wir haben die
Before
Frau
she
getroffen.
died, we met a woman out there at her camp. She wasn't one of those bandits. Sounded like they did something pretty bad to her. And your marauders are still out there.
I think all them folks out in the woods had drug problems.
What does that have to do with anything?
Means you can't trust them. Any of them.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Kinda peaceful out here, ain't it? Enjoy it while you can. You'll probably start hearing those monsters frying against the fence before too long.
Oh wow. Also, ey, okay, langsam wird's creepy. Aber echt. Langsam wird's creepy. Gut, jetzt gehen wir den Generator halt rasch kaputt machen. Ja. Oh wow. Kenny, hast du recht? In das fucking Menschenfresser oder so. Schnell, schnell, back. Ich bin's nicht gewesen.
Damn, this thing is the worst piece of shit. Something's always tripping the breaker.
Shit, schon wieder fertig. Also das ist schon mal nicht. Shit.
I'm glad Andy knows how to fix this if something goes wrong. I'm clueless about this stuff.
Jetzt gehen wir gleich nochmal her schauen. Zwar... Aha, hast du schon gedacht. Es muss doch ein bisschen weitergehen.
There you
Lang mal rein.
go. Ow, damn it! Thing is moving fast.
Voll geil.
Ow, damn it! Thing is moving fast.
Aha. Er kommt recht gerade raus, wenn ich das mache. Ohne Scheiß.
There, that should do it.
Oh man.
Fucking Danny, where do you find this piece of shit? Fucking thing through a belt. Damn it, dog. Ah, son of a... Fuck! Oh, this take forever.
Oh man, ich will es ja echt nicht. Ich will ja denen trauen. Aber ich will auch nicht gegessen werden, Leute. Ah. Voll grusig. Voll grusig. Also. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna try it. Muss ich nochmal reden? Dann muss ich einfach da mal hergehen und dann macht es automatisch wahrscheinlich. Yep. Ah, es gibt's Nacht.
Mom, Dad, dinner time! It's dinner time!
Perfekt.
Okay, honey, let's get that.
Dad! Dad! Come on! on, let's eat.
Kenny, come along, honey. Kenny, come on. Don't make the children wait.
I'll make an excuse for you. Get that thing off.
Why? Soll ich wirklich? Leute, das ist jetzt die letzte Chance.